I retired from the Army and opened an auto repair shop in 2020 in a pandemic. People thought I was out of my mind. Maybe I was out of my mind. But 20 years of service teaches you something. The right time to do the right thing is right now. And 5 years later, I wouldn't change a thing.
When Mike told me he was opening a shop, I was still working full time. I watched him pour everything into it every single day. And at some point I just thought, I need to be over there. So I left my job and I came to work with my husband. People thought we were nuts. Maybe we were, but somebody has to make sure the phones get answered, the warranties get handled, and every person that walks through the door feels like they actually matter.
20 years under the hood teaches you one thing. There's no shortcut we're taking. And here's why that matters to me personally. I don't want to see your car come back because something wasn't done right. I want to see you come back because you trusted us and you came back happy. We're your neighbors here in Lake Geneva, and I'm going to see you at the grocery store, at the gas station, and around town. So every repair is backed by a 24-month, 24,000-mile warranty because we stand behind what we do.
When the guys do a full inspection, they're going to send you pictures and videos right to your phone of exactly what they found. Because I want you to see for yourself. Your car gets you to work every day. It gets your kids where they need to go. That's not something we take lightly around here. Schedule at veteranvehiclerepair.com or call 262-758-0998.